If you're having trouble sharing printers and or files with your Windows Vista or Windows 7, you might need to just disable password protected sharing and you might get up and running very quickly. To find that particular setting, the easiest way is to click your Start button and then just type the word Advanced in the search box in your Start button. And then you're going to look for and click Manage Advanced Sharing Settings here. And then in the Advanced Sharing, you're going to scroll down and look for Password Protected Sharing. Make sure it's turned off and then save your changes. And then your remote computers will not need a password or an account to be able to print to your networked printers or share your shared files.